I speak to you now not as fear, but as divine awakening wrapped in light. There are moments in your life when silence is not absence, it is preparation. And what you have endured in recent seasons has not gone unseen. In the unseen realm, Archangel Michael stands as a guardian of truth, cutting through deception and restoring balance where injustice has lingered too long. And today, this message comes like a sword of clarity. Someone, somewhere, has carried a debt toward you, not only material, but emotional, spiritual, and karmic. A truth they avoided, a responsibility they delayed, a consequence they thought they could outrun. But heaven does not forget what your heart had to survive. This is not about revenge. This is about divine alignment. When your energy has been poured into others without return, when your kindness was taken for weakness, when your silence was mistaken for acceptance, heaven records it all. And Archangel Michael now steps forward not to threaten, but to reveal. What was taken from you in unfairness is entering a season of reckoning. Not because you demanded it, but because truth itself rises when distortion can no longer stand. You may feel like nothing is changing in the physical yet, but in the spiritual realm, movement has already begun. What was hidden is becoming visible. And if your spirit feels something stirring right now, like a quiet recognition deep inside, don't ignore it. There is a reason this message found you at this exact moment. If you feel this is speaking to your journey, take a moment and type Amen in the comments as a declaration of alignment, and share this message with someone who has been waiting for justice or healing. Sometimes one act of sharing becomes the bridge for someone else's breakthrough. Stay with this message until the end, because what comes next reveals how this shift begins to manifest in your life in ways you may not expect. Archangel Michael's presence is not chaotic, it is precise. He does not act in confusion. He acts in divine order. And right now, what is being cut away is the illusion that you were forgotten. You were not. There have been moments where you questioned your worth, your timing, your purpose, but those questions were never evidence of abandonment. They were evidence of preparation. Because before restoration comes, clarity must arrive. And clarity often feels like everything being exposed at once. The people who underestimated your spirit are beginning to face the weight of their own choices, not because you wished it, but because energy always seeks balance. There are situations forming behind the scenes where accountability is unavoidable. Conversations that were delayed will now resurface. Truths that were buried are rising gently, but firmly, into the light. Archangel Michael's energy in this moment is like a protective fire burning away distortion, not to harm, but to purify. You may feel a shift in how people suddenly behave around you. Silence where there was noise, distance where there was manipulation, awareness where there was denial. This is the beginning of energetic correction. And if you are beginning to feel that something within you is shifting, like you are no longer willing to accept what once drained you, pause and recognize it. That is not coincidence. That is alignment returning to your spirit. If you are receiving this message, take a moment to like this message as a symbol that you are choosing clarity over confusion, and subscribe so you do not miss what divine timing may reveal next in your journey. Your presence here is not random. It is part of a larger unfolding that is still revealing itself. Archangel Michael now brings a deeper truth. Not everyone who left your life did so freely. Some left because truth made them uncomfortable. Others distanced themselves because your light began to reflect what they were avoiding within themselves. And now some of those same individuals are facing internal unrest, moments of reflection they cannot escape. This is the weight of unresolved imbalance. Not punishment, but awareness returning to the soul. And in that awareness, some will feel the need to make amends, not out of obligation, but out of inner confrontation. But you are also being guided into discernment. Not every return is meant for reconciliation. Some returns are simply confirmations that you have outgrown what once hurt you. Archangel Michael's guidance is not only about justice coming to you, it is about protecting your next chapter from repeating cycles. You may find yourself feeling less emotionally attached to outcomes that once consumed you. That is growth. That is spiritual maturity forming within you quietly, steadily. If you are feeling even a small sense of release or clarity as you hear this, take a moment to comment, "I receive peace," below. Let that be your declaration that you are no longer holding on to what is meant to leave your story. Share this message with someone who is learning to let go without bitterness and continue watching, because what follows is the turning point of this entire message. There is a sacred law at work here. What is not balanced in truth will eventually seek correction through revelation. This does not always happen loudly. Sometimes it arrives through quiet endings, unexpected admissions, or internal awakening in those who once resisted accountability. The debt spoken of here is not only about external repayment, it is about recognition. It is about truth being acknowledged where it was once denied. And Archangel Michael's role is to ensure that deception does not remain permanent in any story that involves your spirit. You may notice subtle shifts, people remembering what they once dismissed, situations resurfacing in unexpected ways, or clarity arriving where confusion once lived. These are not coincidences. They are signs of realignment. But you are not being asked to chase anything. In fact, the message is the opposite. Do not pursue what is already being brought into divine order. What is yours in truth will recognize you without force. What is not aligned will naturally fall away. And if this resonates with something you have silently carried, take a moment right now to like this video as a way of affirming your openness to healing and truth. Comment "Truth unfolds" if you're ready to stop forcing and start trusting. And share this with someone who is still trying to make sense of delayed justice in their life. Archangel Michael now reminds you that protection often looks like separation before it looks like reunion. There are chapters in your life that ended not because you failed, but because you were being preserved. What felt like loss was often redirection. What felt like rejection was often protection in disguise. And even now, as you look back, you may begin to see patterns that were invisible to you in the moment. This awareness is not meant to bring regret, it is meant to bring understanding. Forgiveness becomes your strongest shield in this phase. Not because others always deserved immediate release from accountability, but because your spirit cannot carry the weight of unresolved emotional debt and still move forward freely. Forgiveness. If you have stayed with this message until the end, take a moment to comment, "I am protected," as a final affirmation of your journey through this season. Share this message with someone who needs reassurance that their story is not forgotten. And remember, what is aligned with your truth cannot be permanently denied, delayed, or destroyed. It will find its way to you in divine order at the right time, in the right way, for your highest peace. What you are stepping into now is not a continuation of fear, but a deepening of understanding. Archangel Michael's message is not meant to fixate your mind on what others owe you, but to awaken your awareness of what has already been shifting around you in the unseen realm. There are moments in life when emotional confusion makes it feel like everything is stagnant, but spiritually, movement is always occurring beneath the surface. What you once called delay may have actually been divine timing protecting you from outcomes you were not yet prepared to carry. And now, as your awareness expands, you may begin to notice that certain emotional burdens are no longer as heavy as they once were. That is not coincidence, it is inner realignment beginning to stabilize your spirit. In this stage, you are being asked to observe rather than chase, to witness rather than force, because what is unfolding around you is not something you need to manipulate or accelerate. Instead, it is something that responds to your inner state of peace. Archangel Michael's energy represents clarity, boundaries, and divine justice, not in the human sense of revenge, but in the sense of truth, naturally correcting imbalance. And as this correction unfolds, your role is not to interfere, but to remain centered. Many people misunderstand spiritual justice as something dramatic, but often it arrives in subtle ways: clarity replacing confusion, truth replacing denial, and emotional closure replacing unanswered questions. And if you are beginning to feel a quiet strength returning to you, take a moment to acknowledge it. You do not need to rush your healing or force understanding. If this message is resonating with you, pause and comment. I trust divine timing as a symbolic affirmation that you are no longer resisting what is unfolding in your life. Share this message with someone who is still searching for clarity in their own journey, because sometimes awareness itself becomes the first step toward peace. There is also a deeper emotional truth being revealed to you now. Not everything that left your life did so in betrayal alone. Some of it left because your spirit was evolving beyond environments that could no longer hold your growth. Archangel Michael's presence in this message is not only about accountability in others, but also about awakening your awareness of your own transformation. You are not the same person who experienced those earlier moments of confusion, disappointment, or emotional imbalance. And because you are no longer that version of yourself, you cannot be held in the same energetic cycles that once defined your experiences. As you continue to evolve, you may notice that certain memories no longer trigger the same emotional response. Situations that once felt overwhelming may now feel distant, almost like they belong to a different chapter of your existence. This is not suppression, it is healing integration. Your spirit is learning how to release attachment without losing awareness. And this is one of the clearest signs of emotional maturity forming within your journey. Archangel Michael's symbolic sword, in this context, represents the cutting away of energetic confusion, not through destruction, but through clarity. If you are starting to feel that your emotional reactions are shifting, even slightly, take a moment to recognize that transformation is already happening within you. You are not being asked to become someone new, you are being reminded of who you have always been beneath the pain. If this resonates, take a moment to like this message as a quiet agreement that you are open to healing, and subscribe so you can continue receiving messages that support your spiritual clarity and emotional grounding. Now comes an important understanding. What people owe in spiritual language is not always about repayment in the physical sense. Often it represents unresolved emotional energy, unspoken truth, or unacknowledged actions. And in many cases, life itself brings people into situations where they must face what they previously avoided. This is not something you orchestrate, it is something that unfolds naturally as awareness returns to them. Archangel Michael's role in symbolic teachings is to illuminate truth, not to force outcomes, but to ensure that nothing remains permanently hidden when it is meant to be understood. This is why you may notice certain individuals from your past entering a reflective phase of their own lives, not necessarily returning to you physically, but mentally revisiting choices, words, or actions that carried emotional weight. This reflection is not your responsibility to manage. It is part of their own inner process. Your responsibility is to remain grounded in your own growth, rather than reopening cycles that have already served their purpose. Not every memory requires re-entry into your present life. If you are beginning to understand the importance of emotional boundaries more clearly now, pause and comment. I choose peace as a declaration of your commitment to your own stability. Share this message with someone who is learning how to let go without resentment. Because letting go is not about forgetting, It is about no longer carrying what drains your spirit. Archangel Michael's presence also symbolizes protection during transition. And transitions are often misunderstood because they do not always feel comfortable while they are happening. When you are moving out of old emotional cycles, there is often a temporary sense of uncertainty. But uncertainty is not danger, it is adjustment. Your spirit is recalibrating to a new level of emotional clarity that you have not fully stabilized in yet. This is why patience becomes essential in this phase. Not passive waiting, but active trust in your own unfolding. You may find that your intuition is becoming stronger, not louder. It does not scream for attention. It quietly guides your awareness toward what feels aligned and away from what feels draining. This is a gift that develops as you stop overriding your inner knowing for external validation. Archangel Michael's energy in this sense supports discernment, the ability to recognize what belongs in your life and what does not, without emotional confusion clouding your judgment. If you're noticing that your intuition has become more noticeable in your daily life, even in small decisions, take a moment to acknowledge it. That awareness is part of your spiritual strengthening. If you feel aligned with this message, like it as a reminder that you are learning to trust yourself again, and continue staying open to the clarity that is unfolding in your life. There is also a quiet truth unfolding about closure. Sometimes closure does not come from conversations with others, but from inner acceptance. You may never receive every explanation you once desired, and yet your spirit can still find peace without them. Archangel Michael's message in this deeper layer is that peace is not dependent on external resolution. It is cultivated within your own understanding. When you stop waiting for others to validate your experience, you begin to reclaim your emotional independence. This is where emotional freedom begins to take root. You no longer need every person to acknowledge their role in your pain for you to heal from it. Instead, you begin to see your healing as something that exists independently of their awareness. This is a powerful shift because it removes your emotional stability from external control. And in doing so, it restores your sense of inner authority. If you're beginning to feel even a small sense of emotional independence returning to you, take a moment to comment, "I am free within," as a symbolic affirmation of your healing journey. Share this message with someone who is still seeking closure outside themselves. Because sometimes the most important closure is the one that happens within the heart. As this message continues to unfold, Archangel Michael's symbolic presence now shifts toward integration. Everything you have experienced, both the painful and the peaceful moments, is becoming part of a larger understanding within you. Nothing was wasted. Even confusion had purpose because it brought you to clarity. Even loss had meaning because it guided you toward discernment. Even silence had wisdom because it allowed your inner voice to grow louder. Integration means you no longer see your past as something separate from your present strength. Instead, you recognize it as part of the foundation that shaped your resilience. And this recognition changes how you move forward. You no longer carry your story as a burden, you carry it as evidence of survival and transformation. Archangel Michael's energy in this stage is steady, grounding, and stabilizing. It does not rush you forward. It helps you stand firmly where you are becoming stronger. If you have stayed with this message until now, take a moment to comment, "I am becoming whole," as a final reflection of your inner transformation. Share this message with someone who is learning to see their past through the lens of growth rather than pain. And remember, what is aligning in your life is not returning you to who you were. It is guiding you toward who you are meant to become with clarity, peace, and quiet strength.